What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And sometimes you just need a little staycation. We've been back here in Maryland for a few months and we love visiting all of our favorite places, but we found a new place down on the Eastern Shore to go take a few days.
Yeah, we went and visited the Bay Break, which is a really cool Airbnb. It was super cute. We had so much fun just like running around, letting the kids be wild and play.
Yeah, kind of like we're used to on the road. And while we were there, we were going in and out of the shops and restaurants in the town because we love to support local. And we can always find good, unique things to cook with because there's stuff there that you just wouldn't find in bigger stores. So I found a really cool syrup that inspired today's meal. And today I'm going to be making French toast with a strawberry sauce.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
All right, first things first, we need to get our strawberries going on the griddle, and this is how we are going to make our strawberry sauce. I'm going to add 1 pound of chopped strawberries, a ½ cup of granulated sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and the juice of a lemon. And now I'm going to mix all that up and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. While we've got our strawberry sauce simmering on the griddle, we're gonna make the stuff that we dip the French toast in. So I've got 5 eggs here. To those eggs, we're going to add a cup of whole milk, a tablespoon of sugar, and a little bit of vanilla extract. We'll whisk this all together. And once our strawberry sauce is done, we'll be ready to make our toast. I think our strawberry sauce is just about ready. The strawberries are nice and soft. It smells amazing. So I'm gonna pull it off and get it in our bowl because the next step is to pull out the immersion blender and mix it all up. I'm going to try and be very delicate with this so we don't splash everywhere.
This smells so delicious.
So I've got the griddle set to low. I'm gonna get some butter down because that is the best thing to cook French toast in. Now typically you wanna use something like Texas toast, nice, thick, hearty bread. And I was able to find this Sara Lee Artisano bread. It's the thickest that I could find at the grocery store. So I'm gonna drop it in our egg dredge and get it nice and soaked on both sides before getting it on our griddle. And cook it low and slow until it's nice and golden brown. After a couple minutes, we'll give it a flip. Give it a couple more minutes and we are ready to stack this up and add our toppings. Got this really cool syrup that I told you inspired this whole meal. This is Sapjack's bourbon barrel aged maple syrup and I am really excited to try this. So we're gonna put some of that on and then we're going to get our strawberry sauce that we made, which smells absolutely amazing. We're gonna pour some of that on too. It's a little gloppy, but let me tell you, it smells super good, and if it tastes as good as it smells, we're in for a treat right here.
Well, this looks phenomenal.
Looks good. Smells
good.
amazing.
Yes.
I'm really excited about this strawberry sauce because I've never done anything
Like that.
quite like that.
Yeah.
So it's a different way of doing fruit on French toast because a lot of people just stick whole berries or whatever on.
All right, let's dive in here because I am hungry.
That is really good.
All right, I definitely like the syrup and the strawberry blended well together. It's a really good,
It's
like
good.
Sweetness, but not
Yeah.
over sweet. And I don't know how to
You can
explain
definitely
that. Like,
taste the bourbon barrel aging in the syrup. It is super good. So Sapjack, well done. But yeah, I think you're right. It pairs well with the strawberry, and the French toast came out amazing.
Perfect.
With the vanilla in the dredge,
it's so good.
so good. So good. Thank you guys for watching. We always appreciate you tuning in. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Make sure you subscribe and click that bell icon on the YouTube so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Nate, Todd, CJ, Taylor, Betty, Bruce, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.